Storm Team 6 meteorologist Kyle Mounts here with you as we head into your Sunday evening. A lot to talk about, so let's start you off with graphics. Tonight, things fairly quiet for us, much calmer than last night. Can't rule out a spotty shower or stray storm, but nothing widespread like we had overnight Saturday into Sunday. A low tonight of just 72 degrees. Let's focus in on Monday. We have a moderate risk of severe weather, which covers much of central Indiana. Don't see too many of these issued throughout the spring and summer months, so just kind of let that perk up your ears a little bit and be aware that we have possibly some significant severe weather that will come through here on Monday. What does that moderate risk mean? It means widespread severe storms are likely, and those storms may present significant damage, maybe even some life-threatening storms possible within the mix. So we're going to break it down, take our TrueCast here piece by piece instead of rolling it through continuously. I've tried to pick out the time points, give you an idea as to when those storms are going to roll through central Indiana. As we go into your Monday morning, you see around 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, a few showers and storms starting to get going over northwest areas, say Monticello toward Lafayette. Then as we roll through time here, we'll see around noon that line of thunderstorms making its way toward Indianapolis and Interstate 70. These storms likely to have some strong gusty winds with them as they continue to progress off to the south, and that initial line then will dive toward Bloomington, Columbus, Seymour as we get into the early afternoon hours of Tuesday. But then we also notice a secondary line may begin to develop back around Logansport, Peru, and Lafayette, and that then diving to the south. So that could have a little bit of an impact, especially along and south of Interstate 70 for our Monday evening commute. And then we should get a little bit of a break as we go into our Monday evening. You notice TrueCast around 7 o'clock is quiet for us, and then we'll see our next line of thunderstorms taking shape around 11 o'clock Monday night as we get around Lafayette, Crawfordsville, Petersburg, and then that will slide off to the southeast. So not just one, but two rounds potentially of severe storms. Now, how the second round acts will kind of be dependent on that first round and scouring out the clouds as we go into our Monday afternoon. But let's focus on this round as it dives to the south, reaching Interstate 70, the Indianapolis area. It looks like around midnight. Got to give or take a little bit here on the timing, and then that will continue to push off to the south as we get to around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning around Bloomington, Columbus, Seymour, and Bedford, all dealing with those storms, and then that will push off to the south. But again, our severe weather threats on Monday: damaging wind, hail, also the potential for a few tornadoes that we'll have to watch closely. In addition, we've got heavy rain we're going to have to watch for. Flash flood watch will go into effect at 5 a.m. Monday morning, right on through 5 a.m. Tuesday morning for good reason. Look at the additional rainfall put out here by our TrueCast model, and some areas more than 2, maybe isolated amounts over 4 or even 5 inches of rain. And so we have saturated the ground. It is not going to take long to give us more flooding issues. Of course, we're going to keep you updated on social media and RTV6 as we go through this event.